the transmit gain should be at 0, plate tuning at 0, load at 0, then turn on to the tune, that is CW position. Plate current is very low, so you turn this gain such that it moves up a little, just a little. See, it moved?
Yeah.
Now quickly adjust this. You have to adjust this, but when you are adjusting that, press this.
Okay, press and adjust.
Adjust this to get maximum reading. Okay.
So wherever I get maximum, leave it there.
Then with this pressed, adjust this to get maximum reading. It is not coming. This position only it is showing max, so we'll hold it at that. Then adjust this tune, no?
Okay.
You get maximum reading. I'm still keeping this pressed. Okay. Turn this again to get max. Turn this again to get max. See, it's moving up. Somewhere it moved.
Yeah.
That's all. I have tuned now. This guy is not at 0, it is at some position. Okay. Now, I'll increase this. See, the output is going up. So I'll keep it somewhere and readjust. See, it's going up.
To maximum gain, basically.
Readjust this. See, it's going up.
While it's pressed.
While it's pressed only. When it's pressed, you have to take maximum reading. When it's not pressed, it's different. So this is easier way to adjust. See, it's going up. Do 2 or 3 times. Because it is tuned up. Even though I'm keeping it permanently on, nothing will happen. And tube anyway emission is low. It's okay. That's all.
Okay.
Now, normally this is the position. You leave it where you got maximum output. When you talk also. Because the emission and all is low, maybe you'll have to keep it high also.
Okay.
Even if you keep it full, nothing will happen.
Okay.
Now you keep it here, we'll see what happens. Now I'll talk. When I just, now I'm not pressing this, when I turn this, it is reading 300, that is plate current.
Okay.
300 milliamps is the plate current. So when I shout, VO2 NAN testing, Victor Uniform to November Alpha November testing. Okay. You see it goes up to 300. When I press this, it shows more because that is the output, different scale. Victor Uniform to November Alpha November testing. See, that is the output. You can keep it more, it doesn't matter.
So that X meter gain is basically your output gain.
Yes.
Okay. And this is the receive gain. This is a volume basically.
This is RF gain
RF
for
gain.
receive,
Yeah.
audio gain
Okay.
for receive.
Got it.
Always keep this full.
Yeah.
Just turn this.
Fine. And this is the RF
And
tube.
now for this antenna, I need not do this exercise again at all.
Okay.
Because now this is matched to my antenna. If I note down 6 here, 3 here, and 5 something here is enough. I just keep there, I can transmit.
Got it.
So this you have to establish with your
With
antenna.
my antenna. Oh, okay. So I have to stick to one antenna. I cannot jump between antennas.
No. You have to tune up every time you change an antenna.
No, or else take down the number. This antenna is number.
Yes.
This. Take down
It's
that
possible.
number. That's
See,
it.
in World
Keep
War,
everything in.
World War II and all, they had the charts in rigs. For his own antenna, which will have tappings and all, he'll give for this band, in this thing, 2, 3,